Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you some of my Dollar Tree haul. To start off with, I got some gardening supplies, and this shovel is great. I always have problems when I buy shovels because they never are sturdy enough. They always bend, and I usually get them from dollar stores, and I pay $1, $2 for they never work, and I end up throwing them out because they bend so bad when you're digging up soil or trying to plant something. Just doesn't work. So this is a great find. Then I found, I got anemone, and these are bulbs, and I should be planting them really soon. I got to get them into the garden. They might not come up this year. I'm hoping they do. But if they don't, there's always next year. And these are freesia. Same thing, mixed. And there's like 4 bulbs in each one. And then on the anemone, same thing, four bulbs on each one. So I'm looking forward to those. I found these nice rectangular pots for planting some of my flowers, and I bought 3 of them, and my garden has a border of bricks around it. So what I'm going to be doing is placing these on top of the bricks in various areas, just with a nice array of flowers in there. I also found these little pots. They look like they're terracotta, but they're plastic, and there's 4 pots each one. I've got several other ones that I bought prior. Probably about a few months ago I bought a bunch of these, and I'm going to be using these just for starter plants, probably for my veggie garden. So we'll see how that goes. And then I found these terracotta pots, and you get 2 in a package, and I bought, I think it was 2 or 3 packages before. And what I'm going to do with these are I'm going to paint them up really colorful, and then I'm going to make either a macrame or just like a little crocheted hanging plant. And then I'm going to hang them up in my, well, probably in the garden maybe, or off of the trees. Don't know yet. And just have like a nice little plant in there. And I think that'll look really pretty. So from there, I bought a few household items. It was just a couple things. I usually buy Colgate Max Fresh. Well, they did not have the one I usually use, so I bought this one. It has charcoal. It's charcoal mint. We're going to see how this is. I've heard all kinds of stories about the toothpaste with charcoal. I don't know what it looks like yet, but I'm sure I'm going to find out. So I'm kind of excited about that. I also got Antibiotic Cream with all the gardening. I scratched myself up with cleaning up the rose bushes. Always good to have. And acetaminophen. Just for those little headaches. And the way the weather's been, it's warm, it's cold, and then you get a headache. Good to have. So, all right. I bought these. They're called Surefresh. They're little containers, and I believe they're just for like little dips maybe, or salad dressing. If you go on a picnic, they're good for that. I might use some of them for that, but what I really bought them for was when I'm doing my paintings. Sometimes I mix up a certain color and I have a lot of it, and instead of wasting it and having it just dry up, I just put it in one of these, or I can even mix it in one of these and then just have it, seal it up, and then I can go back to it at any time and use it. It's a great find. Next, I'm probably going to show a couple videos in the future of me making sun catchers. So it's going to be along the same lines as my jewelry making, but I'm going to be making sun catchers instead. And I wanted some beads that were durable, like for all weather, and I found just these plastic beads you know, various colors. So I bought 3 packs just to try them out. And they're like crystally, sort of see-through, but I figured they'd look really nice and they'd be shiny. And I'm going to be putting these, after I make the sun catchers, I'll be putting them like up around my yard, and then I will show you as soon as I, you know, make them. I'll do a video on it, and then I'll show you where I hang them. I also found these little glass seed beads. This was a new color there. They had the black, gray, and the white, so I was kind of excited about this. Last week I bought one of these, and they only had one there. And then again, I went to another Dollar Tree, and they only had one, so I grabbed it. I'm going to be working in resin soon, and I'm going to be doing a few videos with the resin. And I also do a video of my Wish shopping, because I bought the resin, the molds, the supplies. I also bought some more beads and things from Wish. And so I'll do like a Wish haul. Just a bunch of different things. And kind of excited about that. So, but you need certain things to put in the resin. And when you buy them, if you go to Michael's or other stores, they're not real expensive, but they're expensive enough. On Wish, they had some good prices, but still you have to pay for shipping, so sometimes those things are just a little bit high in price. So I found like they put, all right, one thing they would put in is glitter, like a micro glitter into the resin to make it shine. So I bought these little containers of glitter, and to me they look just like regular glitter, maybe a little bit smaller. So I'm gonna try these. You know, it's kind of a neat find, so I'm gonna try those. But I found micro glitter in these little packages, all different, you know, shades of pinks. Now, I bought one last week, and I also bought these like little vials, these little glass vials with a twist top at Dollar Tree. And if you take one packet and just cut on the end, pour it in, it takes up about 1/3 of the vial. And so I bought 2 more packets so I can fill up the whole vial. So we'll see how that goes. And I think these colors are really pretty. Then I bought stickers. I wasn't really sure about this, but this one's little hearts. I'm going to put these in the resin. Just try different things, I guess. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I got little hearts. Oh, I got these little pink crystals. I think those are really pretty. And blue. Another pink one. I got gold. I also have these little crystals. They're just jewels and gems. These are little oval pinks with a silver back, so that makes them shine. This one is mixed colors of hearts. So those look kind of nice. I'm going to see what I can do with those. And then these are mixed colors of flowers. So again, we'll see what happens. I bought this. I guess crafters call it washi tape. It just says tape on here, but I've never used it before, but the only reason I bought it was because it's got these cute little pictures on them. And I thought, well, I could cut those little pictures out and stick them in the resin and it'll make it look really cute. So this one's got little ice cream cones, bears. It's just adorable. And then I got, this one's got little fruit It's really adorable too. So cute. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's adorable. And then this one's got a little skull head and a pizza with little hearts on it. It says wow. They got something else that says arg and one that says kiss me. That's really cute. And I also got these detailing scissors, and I got those to cut out those little pieces that I want. And I'm going to use them in the future for paper crafts because I think these are really nice. I usually use like little cuticle scissors. I used to buy them from Avon by the ton, and I used to do paper cutting. So I'd design something and then cut out the designs on the paper. So these are really nice. So I'm going to try these and see if I like these also. The cuticle scissors worked pretty good. And then I got these tools that are for scoring paper, for paper crafts. But what I got them for was for the resin. And it's got like a little ball on top and a little ball on the bottom. And I've seen something like this used with nail art. And what my intention with this is to pick up like dried flowers and put them into the resin, or like a little picture and put it into the resin, so I don't have to fumble around with my fingers trying to get this stuff in. So that's why I got these. We'll see how these work. I do believe when I bought the resin supplies that I did buy something that does do that, but I don't know. We'll have to check it out because I bought a lot of stuff. And so as for coloring the resin, I also mentioned about the glitter, but they also use a micro powder to color the resin. So what I found was I looked around, and of course Dollar Tree is not going to have that for the resin, but they do have LA Colors, and this is eyeshadow, and it's a micro powder. So I got two colors. I got a gold and a white, and prior to this I got a few other colors. And what I had found was I had like these little containers that I bought from Dollar Tree, very small, that would fit this amount of powder in it. So what I tried was, shaking it. Did not work. It was getting all over the place, so that was useless. So I just put the top back on. I took a drill with a larger drill bit, drilled into the bottom slightly, popped off the bottom, and just poured it right into the other container. No mess, even when popping it off. No mess, and it worked great. So I've got a few colors, so I'm going to see how this works too with the resin, but I'm glad I found these. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell so you get further notifications of my upcoming videos. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye.